1, 3, go 4. Your mind is all about crime. Onyx.
ਨਾ ਦੇ ਦਿਲ ਪਰਦੇਸੀ ਨੂੰ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਨਿਤ ਦਾ ਰੋਣਾ ਪੈ ਜਾਊਗਾ ਨਾ ਦੇ ਦਿਲ ਪਰਦੇਸੀ ਨੂੰ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਨਿਤ ਦਾ ਰੋਣਾ ਪੈ ਜਾਊਗਾ ਨਾਲ ਰੰਜੇਟੇ ਜੋਗੀ ਦੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਜੋਗਣ ਹੋਣਾ ਪੈ ਜਾਊਗਾ
The Bean News magazine. In these few days, the government makes some policy in HCT noise pollution. Today we are going to interview some people about air feelings. Excuse me, sir. What? I am an important from London television. I have some question to ask you about the HCT noise pollution program.
Hurry!
Only a few
Hurry!
minutes. Only a few minutes.
Hey man!
Wait, wait.
Do you see? Do you know what this three words mean? Hong Kong people. Hong Kong people is very busy. Don't waste my time. My time is very expensive. Do you know?
Only a few minutes, please.
You rubbish. Okay, only a few minutes.
First, I want to ask you about what do you feel about HCT noise pollution program?
That's what.
I can't listen to you. Can you speak again?
What? I said the government can do more.
Okay. I will. This is the end of the interview.
Oh,
Thank
you're
you.
welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome, rubbish. You're welcome, rubbish. Bye, rubbish.
No more, please. Please. Good. No.
Yeah.
I am a reporter from the London television company. English. Hai lê về đồng hả?
Năng lô.
Ồ, cạch kỹ năng à? Ê, bố ơi, cạch kỹ năng rồi. Can you speak English?
Pagina.
Do you think I need to speak slower?
Okay.
Let's begin our interview. Begin the interview.
Mày.
Do you think HCT is too noisy?
梗係啦，香港呢度仲嘈我哋鄉下，係咪先？noisy啊，noisy，
I know.
係見啦。
Do you have any suggestion to correct it?
香港啊，地盤嘈到鬼咁真係，交就龍啊變龍呢啦。
係咩？
係啊，
This is the end. Thank you for your cooperation.
你都係架見啦。
見到同鄉啊，真係好。After interview, we find that the noise pollution in HCT is serious. So the citizen and also the government should solve this problem together to make it better. This is the end. See you the next week.